How to set print area in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to set print area in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet and within it, you will find the data you are working with. Now to set the print area, follow these steps. Select the specific area of the sheet that you want to print. This can be done by clicking and dragging to highlight the desired cells. Next, navigate to the File menu. Within this menu, you will find the Print option. Click on it to proceed. Alternatively, you can directly click on the print icon, usually represented by a printer symbol. A print setting window will appear. In this window, you can choose between current sheet or selected cells depending on your printing preference. In this example, we are selecting selected cells. For more customization, you can click on Set Custom to define specific print settings such as page orientation, margins, and more. Once you have configured your preference, click the Print button to print the selected area. And there you have it, you have successfully set and printed the desired area in your Google Sheet. That's wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, then hit the subscribe button. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video.